Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen, any Volkswagen, Tiguan, Golf, Jetta, Passat, Touareg guys, else, doesn't matter what it is. If you have one of those, you have check engine light on and any of the following two codes. I'm talking about code P0456, which relates to small EVAP leak, or if you're using the Volkswagen scanning tool, you will get code actually you get code 01110. Stay with us, we'll explain what causes that, how to fix it. Before we start, let me open the hood and I want to talk, to tell you something guys. Every single car we get in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy guys any parts, tools for a good price, you want to save money, get a good deal, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So as you know, okay, Volkswagens, they reuse their engines and components in multiple vehicles. Doesn't matter if you have a 3-4 cylinder engine, if you have any of these codes, the fix will be about the same. And there is one thing that I will always check before I start dumping money, okay, to fix things. So what is EVAP system, evaporative emission system? Pretty simple guys. The EVAP system is on gasoline engine guys, okay, you have fuel tank full of gasoline. That fuel tank, when the car moves, you turn, you hit pothole, you're driving, that gasoline evaporates. Or when it heats up, the temperature is warm outside, it will evaporate, it will create pressure. Back in the day, it used to be released through the fuel cap, just go in the atmosphere. But now it's a closed system, and when you reach certain pressure guys, okay, certain fuel vapor pressure in the fuel tank, what will happen actually guys, the system will send that fuel vapors, okay, through that line to the purge control valve. The purge control valve will be activated by the engine computer because you have enough pressure, and it will inject the vapors guys actually in the intake manifold, burn through the engine. You have a nice efficient engine that's running clean, efficient, and not polluting the atmosphere. But if you have any of these codes, you need to check multiple things. We'll have a complete detailed video how to do that, but check for leaks, cracked hoses, or anywhere guys, or test the purge control valve, make sure it's not leaking. If you want to see how to test purge control valve, we have the video on the channel, check it out on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. But number one thing that I will check guys actually will be right here, fuel cap. Fuel cap on modern cars consists of two components. One, you have a valve, okay, and that valve, let's say your purge control valve quits working and it doesn't put the fuel vapors in the engine, you start building pressure in the fuel tank. That valve, okay, if you reach certain pressure in the fuel tank, will actually let the vapors in the atmosphere so you don't explode, in other words guys. But if that valve is stuck open, you can lose pressure that way as well. But the most common thing will be cracked seal. That cracked seal prevents fuel vapor pressure from building in the fuel tank because the seal will be leaking. So bad fuel cap will be one of the most common problems for that problem, and ours occurred at only 43,000 miles. And you can see if you don't put correctly the fuel cap, you get check engine light on. This is why guys. And if you need to buy a new one, okay, new cap, I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a really good price. Okay, it's amazing cap right there guys, and that will fix your problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.